Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new series. This is Kyler, bringing at you guys a series. I'm going to call it Living on the Farm. So let's start today. This is going to be basically a series about my day-to-day activities and stuff like that. I think it's going to turn out pretty cool. So the first thing I do every morning is I check on the chickens. So why don't you come with me? There's some water still, so we'll get them some water before we close them up today. Or a little bit later when I'm running the mower. All right, how you guys all doing? Good morning. She's down there roosting. They're still pretty scared. They're getting introduced to these guys still, and they're doing their pecking disorder and all that kind of jazz, so they're not too happy. All right, let's wait for these guys. They're gonna all flood out the door as quick as they can. They're enjoying some of the corn I dropped down there for them. Those guys still look kind of scared back there, but it's okay. They've been out here for a couple weeks now. Gotta love that morning cold start. Alrighty, so we're here. So usually inside the coop I will combine both of the water feeder containers that we got together, and it'll get this big sloshy gooshy mess that smells absolutely wonderful. Usually I will pour it. Can you be quiet? I'm trying to film over here. Usually I'll put it near a tree or something. Good fertilizer for sure. I usually prop them up a little bit, but they've been dumping them out, so I think I'm gonna leave this one up right. All right, I'll catch back to you guys in just a flash. Just like that, we're back. Got the waters filled. They're gonna try to peck on those chicks over there, but we got them two new water jugs. That's still a little dirty water, but let's get on to the next project. Would you guys leave them alone? Oh, I got it. I did not know it could jump through that little hole. Alrighty, y'all, we're closing out the night. I wanted to say thank you guys all for watching this first episode. Make sure we got all 12 birds in here, all 15 up there. All right, we're gonna get the chicks some more water and we're gonna go in for the night. Look at all those eggs.